Hey guys, welcome back. Today's video, I wanted to do a fun title with it because I was going to be Saw, but then I just wanted to put on a wig and just have some fun with it. So yeah, the title's pretty funny to me. But anyway, it's pretty basic and self-explanatory. As you can see, everything that I'm doing, just black eyeshadow around the eyes, and then obviously the rest is paint. I will link the paint palette that I use down below, and I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks for watching.